welcome back to my channel, Robinson Unboxing, where myself, my husband, and my 2 children unbox mystery boxes, subscription boxes, and basically anything. So for today, I have a new one that I'm just trying out. This is the Glow Addict box. Now this one was pretty pricey. I believe it was $55 US. I'd have to check that one, but if not, I'm going to get my husband to put the price up here. And this is their Luxe box, so it's the biggest one they have. So we're going to dive into this one. And I've wanted to try it for a while, but the cost of the shipping is always what gets me on this. Like, I mean, I know that I'm in Canada, like I've said before, but please, please, please just give me a cheaper, delivery or something. And I mean, some of them, they, charge so much. And then when it gets to Canada, like to get it out of Canada Post, they want me to pay an additional price to get it from the post office. Or they'll send it with, what did I get? Gerard Cosmetics. It was like, I paid like 26 US for shipping to Canada. And then on top of that, I had like a $17 bill I got in the mail from FedEx. I mean, like, FedEx has brought other stuff here before and not wanted extra, but I guess it all depends on what those companies pay. So, I mean, this one's a little bit pricey on the delivery. I can't remember what it was, maybe 25. Okay, so this does say that is $54.99 a month. You get 8 to 10 beauty products. And then if you want something smaller, get the regular beauty box or bag starting at $13.99 a month. So, and it tells me what's in here. So let's just go through. What is this? Picture Perfect Eyeshadow Palette. Now, unfortunately, they give you a list of what everything is, but they don't tell you prices. And I really, really like when people put prices so that you know, kind of what you're in for. Now, this is the Lulu by Glow Addict Picture Perfect Eye Palette. How many is this? So it could be a quad. Oh no, it's 9. Okay. And there's the colors. I mean, I'm not a huge fan. I do like a little bit brighter. I mean, I do use neutrals, but I feel like I have a lot of neutral palettes already, but that's what it is. So that's our first item. So it looks like I have 8 items this time. So, I mean, it's 8 to 10. So, I mean, most of the time you're going to get 8 guaranteed. So that's item number 1. Okay. So this one, it's Brilla Como Oral Face Palette, also by Lulu for, what do they call it? Glow Addict. I can't talk today. This is like my 5th video today that I'm doing. So sorry, I'm losing my voice a little bit. The husband went out for boys' night, so he's drinking beer in a draw somewhere. And my sister-in-law luckily took the kids for me so that I could have a little bit of a break. So I worked about 60 hours at my normal job this week. At night, I work at night so that I go to work when the kids go to bed. And then my husband stays here with them, so in case anything happens. And then I work till anywhere from 2 till 5:30 a.m. And then I get up with the kids again at 8:30 in the morning. So I really needed a break. Much appreciated the break. So this is nice. So it looks like a highlighter, a blush, and then a bronzer. And I'm going to swatch this because I'm really excited about this one. Always love this stuff. Okay. Ooh, the highlighter's nice. But you know, even if I hold it up, you ain't going to see the highlighter because it's just so subtle. Like, you got to hit certain lights. Ooh. I really like the blush. It's so bright that you'd have to, like, you know, work it down. So those are the 3 colors there. You can kind of see the highlight. There we go. So that's them there. And you know what? That bronzer would work for my contouring. I mean, I got a contour in another box and it was so dark. Like, I'm not sure if I'll even be able to use it. But that is so, like, subtle that, I mean, I think it would work really well for me. So, super excited about this one. So that's our second item. Okay, third, essential makeup brush sets. Now, if you've seen any videos of mine, the things I like are palettes and brushes. So let's dive into these. And they're all Lulu as well. Not sure what that is. Is that like, it might be like a line that they have, or is that someone's name that works there and this is their picks? I'm not really sure. I find weird is when they have like these brush sets and they're all like the white with the gold, but then the bristles are like multitudes of different colors. It's a little bit weird to me, but it is what it is. So it looks like a blush brush, blending brush, packing brush, a highlight maybe, foundation or contour. And then you got your little, which doesn't come with a lot of different brush sets. You got your eyebrow one, so it's got your little angled brush and then your spoolie on the bottom, which I like. So you can get in there and then, so I really like that. And it's much appreciated for when you actually get it. I get so often I get brush sets and they don't have anything for eyebrows, which is a little bit odd. I'll give you that. Okay. Next is a velvet makeup bag. Okay. Let's try and shape it. So, this is what it's going to look like. It's pretty. You can hold quite a bit of stuff in there. I mean, generally, this isn't the type of thing I would use because I don't know. It's just so boring. Kind of mean, but it's not my thing. But I mean, also I'll give it away or whatever. And I mean, eventually when we have enough subscribers, I'll start doing giveaways for all you guys watching, and then it'll make it worth it, right? So next we have a LED handheld mirror. So I'm going to show you, and then you're going to see my kitchen that I haven't cleaned, that I will be doing because I'm childless today. So, I mean, it's cute. How do I get the L? Oh, guess. Hey. I mean, it's all right. Okay. I mean, I generally am not a huge fan of handheld mirrors because, I mean, it just takes away from, but much appreciated. Okay, and the last item is this Lulu Lip Kit Trio. So even though it's in a kit, they're labeling the last 3 items as being in this kit. So really, like, I mean, I'd say we got 6 items because this should really just count as one because it's boxed together. right? I mean, if you count all the brushes as one item, why is this kit 3 separate? Seems like a little bit of a scam there. But I'm not in charge of this, so if you are in charge of this and you're watching, don't screw me over. Okay, so, all right, cute. So that's what it's gonna look like. So we obviously got the lip liner. I'm gonna just do a little line here. Ooh, nice and creamy. And then, what else we got? So this is what it's gonna look like. No real color comes off on the gloss, but it's plumping. So, I always love plumping because I have a really thin top lip. Bottom lip's alright. Top lip, eh. I really wanted to do injections, and my hubby's like, no. And my mom's like, oh no. So, I'm going to stick to this for the time being. And then we have the last one, which should be a matte lipstick. Ooh, okay. Ooh, I like that shade. Whether it's going to work with me or not is a completely different. Works really well with the lip liner. So, and that is everything from this box from Glow Addict. And you know what? I liked it. I mean, it's a little bit different. The palettes are on the smaller side, but then, you know, I'm excited to see what happens next month. Is it like every month you're going to get like brushes or and handheld mirrors, or is it going to be different every time? No idea. But I'm excited to try. I have done a lot of BoxyCharms, a lot of Ipsy, and that kind of stuff. So I always want to try out new stuff. I tend to generally do stuff from different countries. Like, I mean, I've done CC from China, and I've done P. Louise from the UK. I even did one called Artitude from the UK, which I absolutely love. And if you like really, really pigmented, bright colors, check them out. It's a local, you know, mom and pop shop kind of thing. So that one was really good. So, but to try something that was from the States that I hadn't tried before, pretty impressed, actually. So I'm always looking for new things. If you have any suggestions of boxes you open, you know, comment down below, and I will try and get my hands on one of them. Remember to like, subscribe, hit your notification bell so you get notified when we put new videos up, which is about every couple days at this point. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.